Good day guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment, and if you have questions, leave a comment as well. I'll attend to them. So in this video, we'll be talking about reporting. I think it's high time we introduce reporting into we throw reporting into the mix. So what you're going to use for reporting is the allure reporter. I did mention it in the previous playlist that we are going to use allure reporter. So here we go. So what we just need to do is we go to our browser on the pypi.org page and look for allure reporter here and see what we can get. The one for behave is what we need. So we'll pick this up and it's quite simple. The instruction is here to install it. So what we just do is come here and paste that in and we install. And once we've installed it, we just need to copy it into our requirement.txt file so PyCharm can also have it. Then we install this requirement. Oh god, I need to start putting in my password one after the other. Just bear with me. Okay, again. I have to do this 2 more times because I think it's going to install three things. Yes. Or more. Again. And hope we are done. Okay, so we are good. So with this done, we can now run the command. And how can we run this command? We just follow the documentation, and this is the command to follow. So we'll copy this and make a modification of it. So we get to we take this to PyCharm, paste it there, and change this, rename this to the folder name that we want for reports. Let's call this maybe output, right? So once we run this, it should generate a report for us. Let me explain this command. One thing that is not noteworthy is allure itself is an external reporter, so it's an external formatter, so it works externally. So here means that it should report the whole test. It should save the report in that folder called output, so it will automatically create that, and it should do everything within the features folder. So if we have more feature files, it will run all the tests for it, and if we want a specific one, we can just specify the particular one that we want. But since we only have just one single file there, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'll hit enter and see what happens. And there goes, our test keeps running, and we expect that at the end of it all, once our test is done running, we should get a report that we can see. I think everything is done now. Let me check. Yes, everything is done, and we have a report already generated here. So how can we now view this report? Because it is saved in a JSON file. One of the ways we can view the report is by having allure do that for us by running this allure serve and the name of the folder itself. Now, in order to use allure on your system, you have to install allure separately. So if you're using a Mac system, you can use Brew to install it. But if you're using a Windows system, just go to the documentation and you see how you can install. It's all there. Installing on the command line. For a Windows system, you use this to install. So let's get back to our code. So all we just need to do here is allure serve, and the name of the folder is output. So we run this, then it creates yes, it does this for us, and there we have the report, everything that we've done, and it gives a detail It gives a detailed step-by-step procedure on everything that was done and how we achieved it. So you can see this is what allure looks like, and in the pipeline you can also set these commands there. So that brings us to the end of allure reporting. If you find this helpful, leave a comment, and if you have questions, also leave a comment. But above all, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and bye bye.